In 1886, Atlanta, a city on the rise. Civil War scars were healing. Opportunity was in the air. John Pemberton, a pharmacist, was brewing something special. He called it Coca-Cola, a drink with a unique taste. It was an instant success. Pemberton's concoction wasn't just a drink, it was marketed as a cure-all. Headaches, Coca-Cola, upset stomach, Coca-Cola. It was the age of patent medicines. People believed in miracle cures. Coca-Cola, with its invigorating taste, fit right in. But Pemberton's creation was destined for more. When he died in 1888, the recipe's value skyrocketed. Asa Candler, a businessman, saw its potential. He bought the rights, tweaked the formula, and the rest, as they say, is history. Coca-Cola wasn't just a drink anymore, it was becoming an icon. The formula, that was now a secret, locked away, guarded fiercely. Only a select few knew its intricacies. It became a tale whispered in hushed tones. The legend of Coca-Cola had begun. The story goes like this. Deep within a high-security vault in Atlanta lies a handwritten recipe. The original formula for Coca-Cola, guarded round the clock. Only 2 executives know it at any given time. They're forbidden. This secrecy has fueled countless theories. Some say the recipe is a marketing gimmick, a clever ploy to pique curiosity. Others believe the vault is real, a testament to the drink's iconic status. The truth? Perhaps somewhere in between. Coca-Cola has never confirmed nor denied the vault's existence. It's a mystery they've carefully cultivated, and it works. The intrigue keeps people guessing. It reinforces the brand's mystique. After all, who doesn't love a good secret? It adds to the allure. Makes every sip of Coca-Cola seem a little bit special, a little bit magical. The original Coca-Cola recipe was different. It contained coca leaf extract. Yes, the same coca leaf used to make cocaine. Back then, cocaine wasn't illegal. It was seen as a harmless stimulant, even touted as a health benefit. But times changed. Cocaine's dangers became apparent. Coca-Cola faced a public outcry. They had to act fast. In 1903, the company removed the cocaine, or so they claimed. Conspiracy theories ran wild. Some believed the company never truly stopped using coca leaves. They alleged a secret deal with the government, allowing them access to otherwise illegal ingredients. These rumors persist even today, adding another layer to the Coca-Cola enigma. The company vehemently denies these claims. They insist their formula is safe. Stringent regulations are in place, but the whispers refuse to die down. A testament to the power of a good conspiracy theory. Coca-Cola's story is full of fascinating facts. Did you know the drink can clean rust, dissolve a tooth? These unusual properties only fuel the intrigue. It's a drink shrouded in mystery. Today, new conspiracies emerge. Some claim the drink contains addictive chemicals. Others accuse the company of hiding health risks. Coca-Cola refutes these allegations. They maintain their product is safe, subject to rigorous testing. But the questions remain. Is the secret formula real, or a masterful marketing ploy? Perhaps we'll never know for sure. And that's okay. The mystery is part of the allure. It keeps us talking, keeps us fascinated. One thing's for sure. Coca-Cola's legacy is secure. A testament to the power of a brand built on a secret that continues to captivate the world.